I'm Tony Sklar with bnetTv. We are here at the GSMA NFC and Mobile Money Summit in Milan. I am speaking with Accumulate's Mr. Lars Aase. How are you today, sir?
Thank you, I'm very well.
I almost got that last name correct. Not bad, not bad. For all of the viewers out there in bnetTV land, why don't you give us a brief overview of Accumulate and what you're doing here at the NFC Mobile Money Summit?
Okay. Accumulate is a technology provider of mobile payments or mobile security technology from the bottom. We started here in Stockholm, Sweden, 2004, and I've been working with mobile security technology since that. So what we do for the visitors here or the operators and banks that are visiting here, we provide a mobile technology platform for their mobile payment services.
So there's a lot of companies here at the conference that are dealing with mobile money, yep. NFC technologies, and the combination of two. The ecosystem has been humming along for a little while. It kind of bounced up in level. We're ready to deploy. There are certain test deployments within the market space. Where does Accumulate fit in this process?
We are, as I say, the technology provider. We have what we call a disruptive technology that can make an operator and a bank come up and running very fast with a mobile payment service. I will show you later how it is done, but we have some processes and methods that are a little bit more, I say, challenging the NFC schemes, for example, that we're talking about. Of course, we use the NFC, but we think that NFC is just a pairing technology, and we use anyone, QR, barcode, typing, and NFC.
There's a lot of different components to the idea of passing money from one person, merchant, to another. And let's jump into the demo, and you can show us how you guys do it.
This is a live demo. It's by a service in Sweden, a joint venture by the 4 Swedish operators, Telia, Telenor, Tele2, and Free. It's covering 97% of the Swedish population from start, and the service started in June of this year, so it's live. So this, I will show you how you do a payment in shop. So what do you do? So the application is now checking it's the right telephone number, right SIM card, the right serial number on the phone, and the right application ID. Directly I get into my wallet. I have 91 Swedish kronor here, and I want to do some shopping. What I do? I choose pay. I have some options where I want to pay, and I want to pay in shop. I get from the service side a unique one-time ticket that I have to give to the merchant side. What I do on the merchant side, I enter pay, I enter the amount. Now I just have to transmit this code to the merchant side, and I do it via NFC. I get the purchase back in my phone. And here I approve it with my personal PIN code. And I get a receipt. So now I have made a purchase without giving away any sensitive information, just the code that was living for a few seconds.
So that was a really simplistic transaction with obviously some great technologies behind it, because you showed us the ability for there to be that almost triple sense of authentication. How do you get it into the hands of the consumer at a quick pace? How do they trust it and adopt it, which I know is one of the largest challenges?
Yeah, absolutely. And as I said, we are the technology providers. We work a lot with Y-Wallet, for example, and with other customers to help them to get the customer adoption. So the service, we think, has to be as fast, as easy, and as cost-effective as a card purchase. If that is the way, then we believe that mobile payment will lift off.
Well, you and I got a chance to speak a little bit off camera, and we both agreed that the operators were the first people that were going to latch on to this type of technology, because it really increases their ARPU and allows them to act as a bank.
Yeah, exactly. This will differ between the markets, of course, but we think the same. The operators are more keen jumping on the wagon. The banks are a little bit more sitting and wait, but they are all talking about this, and they will come too.
And so, Lars, finally, from Accumulate, what do you think that the next 12 months will bring?
I think you will start to see the consolidation already. There's a lot of payment technology providers and pilots and tests out there. I think now is the next step. go for live deployments.
Fantastic, Lars. Thanks for taking the opportunity to speak with us. Congratulations on a great demonstration and a great product at the right time. I hope we get a chance for an update again in the future.
Thank you. Thank you.
I've been speaking with Accumulate's Mr. Lars Aase here at the GSMA and FCM Mobile Money Summit in Milan. I'm Tony Sklar with bnetTv.